I have the distinct pleasure of talking with Ed Williams, who I call Ted Williams. And he's a great guy. He's a guy that does the work on my car and put the screens in. But I wanted to get some background on Ed and what his background is and everything. He's got a great story. So let me go over here to Ed and we'll turn it over to Ed.
Hey, how's everybody doing? My name is Ed Williams, owner of Wicked Performance and Automotive. Thank you guys for joining us today. So what we do here is basically C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, and even C7s and C8 Corvettes. Been a service tech for over 25 years, mainly for the dealerships. I've got over 750 GM belt and tests under my belt on it. I am actually a GM Gold certified and an AAC Master Technician. So that being said, I just kind of wanted to introduce myself and basically go through what we do, you know. So we have cars like this, 75 Z28, that we're going to actually do an LS swap to here real shortly on it, and basically build it up and have some fun. I guess that's the name of the game, is it not? You know. Yep. We do pretty much everything here. We do interior work, we do exterior work, we do engine work, we do tune-ups, builds, high performance, add-on accessories, anything that you need to have done basically to your car. Just give us a call and we can actually talk about it and sit down. We do exhaust systems, we do upgraded brakes, we do just about anything that you can think of to the cars. Besides body work, of course. You know, body work has to go to the perfect professional to make sure it's absolutely perfect. So I can only agree with that the most. I am the owner of Wicked Performance Automotive. I'm in the process of actually putting up a brand new building over there, another 40 by 30, so we are expanding a little bit. We are trying to get to the right crowd and the right people. We do work with about 6 or 7 Corvette clubs right now. Marion County Corvettes, Citrus Corvettes, Village Vets, pretty much any vet. Touch of Glass, Leisure Time companies. I can't think of them all off the top of my head right now, but all very wonderful guys. And just they've been looking for a good place to be able to bring their cars without having to have that dealership atmosphere, you know. Today's dealers, in my personal opinion, just aren't as friendly as they used to be many, many years ago. And take it from me, I've been in the dealer tech for 20 years, maybe longer. So I decided to start something that was actually just a little bit better and enhanced for you guys, you know. You get more of a personal feel with me because I actually talk about your car to you directly and show you different things that's wrong with your car right there on the spot, where a dealer pretty much doesn't do that anymore, you know. So this experience here working with us will definitely make it worth your while to come and do any kind of work with us. I look forward to hearing from any of you guys. You can contact us either on Facebook. We have a group page under Wicked Performance and Automotive. Or you can call 352-459-6290, which is basically on the shirt right here, you can see. And that is actually my personal phone number, so you guys can get a hold of me indirectly. Thank you guys. Have a great afternoon. Look forward to hearing from you.
All right, Ed. And by the way, he did my car the other day, a couple of days ago, and put some screens on the front. They're absolutely perfect. Those guys did a great job. What these guys did, his crew over here is absolutely fantastic. So